What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to send money from Western Union to GCash, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, a really simple process. When you are on your Western Union either web page or mobile app, just select send money and enter the details which you need to enter. So what you need to do is enter the recipient's GCash options. So then that recipient should just open the GCash app with a fully registered profile and go to cash in. Select Western Union as the sender, and then enter the MTCN number shared by your sender and the estimated amount that he sent you. So when you have sent the money, actually you use the country, you enter the amount, how do you want them to receive the money, so you select whatever you need and then send them the MTCN number, which is basically an ID number with which you can track your transfer, and the recipient can receive the money with that number, and he will not be able to receive it without it. So you will receive a message on the GCash app followed by a text notification confirming that your money transfer is completed. You can receive up to PHP 100,000 per transaction, subject to the wallet aggregate monthly limit of PHP 100,000. So basically guys, quite an easy process. You just get the MTCN number shared by the sender and you just go and pick up the money, and when you're sending it, just enter the recipient info, and it is as simple as that. So guys, basically that would be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.